Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen and Nikki. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do chain twists. So if you don't know how to do chain twists or you are a beginner, this video is actually for you. Stay tuned, watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing this lovely chain twist. So this one I'm showing you guys is ready-made chain twist. It's also fox locks. Can you see? So now I want to show you guys how to achieve your own chain twist. So you achieve this hairstyle on a clean hair. After that, you begin to braid the hair in form of knotless braid. So as you're braiding it, you are feeding the braid with your extension. So now when you braid it to a point, you have to divide it into 2 equal parts. Welcome back to my channel once again, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, don't forget to hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, you divide the hair into 2 parts. After dividing it into 2 parts, you ask someone to help you to hold it, and if you don't have anyone to help you, it's fine. You use something to secure it. Then you begin to work on the other part. After twisting the first part, you go ahead and twist the second part as well. Can you see, guys? So if you are lefty, you twist your left. If you are righty, you twist your right. So this particular one, after twisting the 2 sides, you go ahead and you twist the both sides together. That shows in a strand we have 2 twists in a strand. As you can see, in a strand we have 2 twists. So now you twist both together. That's what we call chain twists. So guys, this is how you twist it. You twist it to your left. Can you see? To avoid the chain twist to loosen and for it to come out well. So I'm showing you guys to see it clearly, the chain parts. Can you see? So now this is how the chain twist looks like. So let me know in the comment section if you guys love this video, and if this video is helpful to you guys, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. Sharing is part of caring. You never can tell someone that we have interest in this lovely video, so share to your loved ones. This is how you keep going with this chain twist. You twist the first part, then you begin to twist the other side. Don't forget you are starting with knotless method and you are using box cutting. If you wish, you can use triangle cutting, depend the cutting that your client wants. So you can use any of your favorite cutting, but mostly we use box cutting for this lovely chain twist. So that's how you keep twisting it. Can you see, guys? So as you're twisting it, don't make it too tight. Then when you are now twisting the both twists together, you make it tight so that it will form that chain part. Can you see, guys? So when you finish twisting it, the tip, you'll knot it so that it will add to the beauty of the braids. You knot the tip, yes. And this is chain twist. This is how it looks like. So I'll be showing you guys the handmade and the ready-made. So let me braid this one, then I'll show you. I'll put the 2 together for you to see if they really look alike. So let me know in the comment section. So if you want it fat, you can make it fat, but don't make it too tiny so that the chain parts will be obvious. So now see the both, the handmade and the ready-made. The one in black is ready-made. Let me know in the comment section. I love you all. Bye bye.